My name's Samuel. I've been working at Kimberley for roughly 8.5 years, and I've lived in Ballina pretty much all of my life. I work in components, so there isn't really much that doesn't pass through my section before it gets fitted to the final product. I enjoy building things, using my hands, and at Kimberley I have the opportunity to do that, whether it be using a drill and a rivet gun or on a sander. I'm using my hands and I'm building a product that's all over the world, not just here in Australia. It's nice to work in an environment where the team, one person may not know something but somebody else will that could help you out, rather than one person just knowing their job and that's it. Everybody has a bit of input. If you can do something different to make somebody else's job a bit faster, you're never necessarily doing the same thing every day. So I would recommend someone to get a job at Kimberley Kampers because the work hours are great and the product that we build. I do like to see the final product driving down the highway and think to myself, I had a hand in building that and that person's enjoying it.